Hey guys, I'm going to show you a very simple demonstration on how to make your own KRAKTY self-watering garden pot for growing veggies. What you're going to need is a 5-gallon bucket from any hardware store, a 3-gallon bucket, a drill, some cloth, and some scissors. You're going to start with a 3-gallon bucket and your drill and just start drilling holes all around the bucket. What this does, it provides plenty of oxygen for the roots in your plant. Plants love oxygen in their roots. Next, you're going to want to drill a hole in the very bottom. This is going to be for the wick. After that, take your 5-gallon bucket and you're going to be drilling a hole right about here. It's an overflow hole so that you don't constantly saturate your plants with water that they do not like. So, scissors and cloth. We just have to cut this down a little bit because this one's too big. Any sort of cotton cloth or cleaning rag will do. Just like a candle wick. Set the top into the bottom part, and now you're ready to start planting. Now we're ready to start planting. First thing we're going to do is fill up the bucket to the overflow hole with water. Alright, now that we have enough water in it, we can start putting the soil in. We just have regular gardening soil. Light, fluffy, drains well. That's what you want. There we go. So you're not going to want to fill the bucket to the brim with dirt. That gives your plants plenty of room to grow and nothing spills out. Just take any sort of starter plants that you germinate yourself or buy from the nursery and plant it in the garden like any other pot. Alright, now that we're planted, you're going to want to know how to take care of your plants. Watering is always the biggest thing. This method is super simple when it comes to watering. There's a reservoir down here full of water. You probably only need to fill it up about once a week. You can always lift it up and see how much water is in your reservoir. Watering it with a watering can or a hose just right in the top where the soil is. That's all you really need. Now, if you're looking for something a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, we sell these burlap rafts that we hand sew ourselves and these basket lids that are intended for this. You can click on the link in the description below to our website if you just want your garden to look a little bit nicer.